Nice.
What the
Oh
fuck?
my! Wait a minute.
Black strapping.
All right, we got it. I
That
lost
was
one.
hella lag, but
I
yeah,
don't know where the fuck the white shit came from.
Yeah, same. I got pushed somehow, but I didn't get the white curse.
I got
And then I-
yeeted.
You know what? You take
Oh yeah,
both.
mine lagged. I didn't get white curse till like a second after.
Entered 57.
It's so weird.
Uh-oh, are you telling me you glitched?
Who?
Yep. Me. My bot glitched.
It's only
Spikes.
P2.
It's fine. It's only,
Yeah.
it's only 2
Yeah,
seconds.
you don't need it for P2.
There are no super lasers in this phase, thankfully. Oh, Spike.
But I don't like chains.
Yeah, you just gotta keep moving.
You have
You
a
have
dash,
fountain though.
and you have a dash.
You're right.
Spikes.
Ten seconds.
Spikes.
Snout from
No.
left.
That's any second now. Get ready.
Meteors after meteors.
Heal, please.
Left,
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 left, left, left. Nice.
I have a mini burst up.
Same.
Same.
35.
Aura stacking. Spikes.
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 Spikes. Uh-oh, snow.
Spikes.
Yeah, meteors,
Yeah.
meteors.
Here's rolling.
10 seconds.
Spikes.
Spikes.
That's now.
Left, 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 left.
Left, left. Penny up.
Yeah, we
Yeah, penny up.
Penny up.
Oh, first time.
Anything? Spikes.
Spikes.
Oh. Okay. That's close.
Where's Fountain?
It was up earlier.
Snow from
Thank
the left.
you.
And spikes. Careful.
Ten seconds.
Oh, I can burst after this.
Weren't you bursting with Penny?
Yeah.
It was on
That's now.
cooldown.
Middle, middle.
Oh.
Holy those.
First
So-
game.
I lost.
got it, we
score
got
from
it.
that.
Wait, what the fuck killed me?
Wait, what did you die to?
No way I teleport into the laser.
Wait, what? It was literally half a second. Okay, there we go. I was about to say.
Wait, how'd you die now?
Battle
Dude,
now.
I was up teleporting. There's no way up teleported into the laser because I
Don't forget
always
to,
have
don't forget to
teleport.
BA.
BA,
Alright,
please.
Entered 54.
Meteors.
Also, make sure you guys are doing life checks.
Mhm.
So you guys know not to aggro if you're low.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Okay, push.
super lasers. He's aggroed on someone in the right.
Hey, push, Mo.
All of us are here. Hello?
Is he push?
No,
Is he
folks are
aggroed on
coming
Cosmo?
by.
Someone's ducked.
Push. Platform middle.
Jerry
Push.
on the right side of his shoulder.
Push.
Only two. Another meteor.
One more rolling.
Oh, fuck.
10 seconds. Get ready for
Push.
test. Test any second now.
There's no big on.
Snow left. Snow left.
Up.
Oh. What the?
38.
Push.
Wait, I pressed down.
Push.
Oh, Benny up.
Oh yeah, then he's holy.
Super.
Why is he not pushing?
Push.
Someone might be ducking.
Push.
What the fuck?
10 seconds. Get ready for test. Position yourself.
Look for big left. I don't know.
Test now.
There is no big left.
Oh, okay, then we're fucked if it's down.
Hope you have an knife
Up.
frame.
27.
Okay, it's good enough. Wait, are you guys bursting?
No, we just
We
did. Benny was
just
up.
bursted.
Benny
Fountain's on left.
Bring him more to the right.
Yeah. Oh,
Just dodge the meteor. Yeah, he should be closer. Is he frailty?
Yeah, frailty.
Wait.
this is
Come
good.
to the
This is good.
middle. Come inside. Come inside.
I'm aggro or trying to aggro him. What the fuck? Push.
Push. Push.
Push.
Push.
Big
Push.
on big right.
Push.
10 seconds. Get ready for test. Big on right. Test now.
Up. I just moved to the right. Slowly.
Jump if he pushes here.
Push.
Bring him more to the left.
This
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
this is good. This is good.
Suck.
Yeah, this is good. This
Supers.
He sucked me.
Push.
is good.
Push. Meteors.
Ooh. Oh.
Why isn't he pushing? Hello?
Push. 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 Oh, push.
10
Slow.
seconds. There's no big on right.
Meteors.
Get ready for test. Test now.
Supers. Down.
Wrong.
Snow left, by the way. Snow left. Snow left.
11.
Okay, he's aggro on me, by the way. I can tell.
Holy.
Okay, it looks like I'm not leaving for a while.
Are we bursting now or next?
Push.
Benny should be up.
Yeah,
Push.
meteors
We
are
got a middle
coming.
meteor.
And he's up.
Sorry, I had to.
Push.
10 second, or just kidding. Ten seconds now. There's no big on right.
Push.
Get ready for test
Push.
at 11. Test now.
Is there big? Is there big?
Down, 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 down.
O2. How's everyone on lives?
I'm at 9.
At 11.
Nice.
That fucking P1 death tilt.
Kazi has 10.
Nice. Wait, is it?
Log.
How many you have, Jerry? I didn't hear. Oh, that's good.
Play safe, play
Yeah,
safe.
you can just be safe.
We need to reposition after this test.
Mm-hmm.
Oof.
2 meteors. Come to the left if you can. Oh, super.
Hello. I just came to
Hello.
swatch.
Come to the left.
Uh,
Oh, fucking Johnny. Johnny just dead.
snow
I
from
said
the right.
O2. 7 seconds. Get ready for test. Test now.
Up, 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 up.
Okay, go to 4 left so we can change the aggro. Reposition it.
55.
Guys, it's not is it safe?
Meteors,
It's
meteors.
also
Wait,
slowed.
one good
It's also
spot.
slowed.
I'm bringing more to the left unless.
I must not hit him. Yeah. Oof.
Never mind. Fine right here. Unless a big plot shows up.
Oh yeah, we can hit now. We can hit now.
Yeah, we're fine for this test as well.
Thank you. Snow.
When's burst? When's burst up?
Next.
Okay. Oh,
10 seconds. There's big on left.
There's a big right too, but he's on top of it. Down, down, down.
hits.
50.
Alright.
Just come
Get,
left. Come left.
get ready to
He's
burst.
moving. He's moving. We can. This is good. This is good.
Alright, this is good for burst.
Supers.
Are you guys bursting?
Yes. Benny's up.
Push.
Push. Push. Oh no, suck. Push.
Can you push, please?
10 seconds. There's no big on right. Get ready.
Push.
Super.
Get ready for test. Test now.
Up, 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 up.
Oof.
43. How's everyone on lives?
I got 8.
And
Good, that's good.
Davina, you good?
yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Can you hear me?
I'm good.
Yeah. Wait,
Yeah.
how many do you have,
Oh,
Naveen?
super. Seven.
He
Seven.
said 7.
Oh, yeah, that's good, that's good. Come to the right. I don't know who he's aggro to.
If you drop to 4 live, just play safe. You don't need the damage.
Even 5.
Oh.
Meteors,
Even,
meteors, meteors, meteors.
even 5.
Snow, snow, snow.
Who the fuck is he aggro to? I'm gonna attack us.
Jesus Christ, that was so shit.
Come to the right. He's way too close to the middle. Suck.
Alright,
there.
that's good.
This is fine. This is fine.
10 seconds.
Frailty, frailty.
There's no big on right.
Push.
Test now. Get ready.
Oh,
Big on right.
Such a clutch platform. Down, down,
Down.
down.
Oh,
31.
Platform on top. Oh, what the? Was in range?
Push. Suck.
Super lasers.
Oh my
Jesus
god.
Christ, I'm so low.
Oh, I thought you were dead.
I was so close to being.
Can you
Push already,
There's
Oh,
please.
fountain. There's
wait,
fountain on right side.
Push.
flashing?
10
Push.
seconds. There's no big on right.
Stay safe. You're 5 or less.
Push.
Test now. Test now. Get ready.
Oh, what the? Down, down, down.
Down.
Down, down.
That was a nice TP, Kazi.
Get
So
ready for
lucky.
burst.
21.
Alright, Benny. Should be up. Yeah. Alright.
Push.
Ooh, gotta be safe, gotta be safe, gotta be safe.
Push. Push.
Oh Jesus.
Come on, buddy.
Push. Push.
There's big on right. Test at 21. 10
Push.
seconds.
fuck.
Get ready for test. There's big on right. Test now.
After Mayday. It's about to happen. Oh, up.
Up, 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 up.
Wait, what the?
12. Are you guys still good on lives?
Yeah.
10.
Push.
Naveen,
Oh,
June.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm
yeah,
good.
hold on. Yeah, I'm at a
Still
6, I
at
think.
still at 8. Push.
You guys want to burst
Good.
now or later?
You should play
Next,
safe,
We
Jerry.
just-
play safe, yeah.
Push. Snow. Push.
Let me bring him. Go to the left. Go to the left. Oh, I have aggro. I have aggro.
Push.
Super.
10 seconds. There's big right. 10
Big right.
seconds.
Can you push already? What the fuck is he?
Up, up, up.
Up. Get ready to jump. Oh, snow.
Whew.
07.
Next test will burst.
Who leveled? What the fuck? I heard the sound for it. I don't know.
I don't think that was a level.
It might have been a pet.
Oh, true.
Oh, super.
Suck.
Waiting for push. Waiting, waiting.
Please push.
Hello?
Push.
Oh,
Push. Push.
Wait for next test to burst.
mhm.
And then you
Yes,
guys should
please.
phase.
Push.
Yeah, I have full burst next. After next test.
Snow from the left. There's big on left too.
Fucker.
There we go.
Meteors.
Mhm.
Test in 10 seconds.
Super.
Supers.
There's a big left, you said?
Yeah, big left. Test now.
What the
Up.
fuck?
Yeah, I didn't show anything.
01.
So
I'm
cancer.
gonna burst.
Let's play super safe.
I mean, I'm fine. I'm fine. Super.
Oh shit. Ay. Rip, I mean,
Move on to burst. Okay, let's go.
yeah, we're burst.
Push.
It's fine. We don't need Benny for this. If we're all bursting.
Push. Push. Push.
You guys should face.
Let's
Nice,
fucking
nice.
go.
Make sure you have black aura, white
Oh,
curse.
please
Make
don't
sure there's a
pick
black aura around you.
Who?
Don't forget.
Anyone have less than 5 lives?
I got 6. I'm just gonna
We
play
believe.
dodge
Alright,
game for a
yeah.
bit.
Yeah, wait, Jing, yeah, you don't need to attack.
Make sure there's black aura around
yeah,
you.
yeah, make sure you have black aura.
Don't TP too aggressively. Don't like flash
Play-
jump too
Play
aggressively.
the walls.
Don't
Because you can
flash-
dodge the pellets against the wall.
Yeah, don't
Have it
jump
be
into
fine.
BM with, especially a flash jump, unless
Yeah.
yeah.
You
Unless-
all
Yeah.
have multiple lives, so just be safe. Damage isn't important right now.
Mm-hmm.
God, this is so easy as a teleport class.
Test is every 30 seconds too, so make sure you look at the ground in the sky. If you fall at 3 lives, just survive.
If anyone hits 3, I'll go black curse.
Best.
Oh, if
Weird
time.
flex, but okay.
What?
Yo, what a flex. Shame on you.
And I say that I fucking pressed last resort and broke a bot. Holy. Oh, I didn't apple again.
Yeah, I should reuse mine.
I made 3 level 120 Explorer Warriors today just to get the Link skill. I think it helped a lot.
It looks like it paid off.
Yeah, it did.
Yo, fucking, I can't telecast in this shit. It's so annoying.
Dude, does he slow you so you can't move?
No. It's sometimes
Oh.
I'll TP and then run into like 8 white bubbles.
Yeah.
It's really bad. Like while I'm falling down, or like I can't up. I have to down telly. Even that's a bit risky.
Test.
Yo, this damage is so disgusting. Look at us.
Wait, how much HP does P4 have?
100 trill,
Oh wait, that's so easy then.
But every minute it generates a shield, so
which is like 3 to
shields,
4
2
trill.
shields. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Every 30
Alright.
seconds.
It's a shield
just
every
test.
30 seconds.
I have my burst up. Let's go.
I have 4 lives left. Just saying.
Okay.
I think we're good. Anyone at
I'll
like 2 or 3?
I'm switching white.
I
Thank
think
you,
it's a
Randy.
party
Do
clear.
it.
I think it's a party clear. Not as long
That's
as no one
so
DCs.
pog.
Knock on wood. Knock on wood. No DC.
Yo, just don't switch to drop gear if we clear, you know? Just like get it over with.
We don't need drop.
No, we want a badge. What the fuck?
Oh, drop gear don't work.
No, the
Drop gear
first
don't
run
work.
you always break it immediately.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
tradition.
Yeah, it's tradition.
Senzu, what the fuck?
Every
not
party
breaking-
who's run BM.
Yo, we're not breaking tradition, okay?
Fine.
Because first run, everyone's so scared of DC, so they break the
I
bubble.
feel yeah, it's fair.
No breaking tradition.
I don't.
That sounds
I don't
so
believe-
fake.
I don't believe it. I don't
Yeah, we
believe.
also
It's
get
like when
2x
Linnea
drop
said,
rate,
like, the
we're gonna
pixel
go
placement
left.
depends.
Oh yeah, you have to be on the left side of.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so fake.
It's bullshit.
It's so bullshit. Yeah.
A flag. Let's go.
Why do you
You
get
gotta,
types?
you gotta outbid people, though.
Hey.
Did anyone equip it in Scania yet? Or did a
The
single
only one that
drop?
got it was Maria.
Of course Maria fucking got it. Oh my god.
No, Maria's achievement was killing Black Mage 10 times.
Oh, I
Yeah.
thought she got a badge.
Oh.
She has
I mean,
a potable badge.
I
Yeah,
mean,
she
she'd
would.
sell
She wouldn't
it,
use
but
it.
You don't
if
need a
anyone was
Genesis
getting a dark
fan.
boss item, anyone was gonna get the dark boss item, it's either fucking Maria or Genon. You know
Yeah,
it.
makes sense.
Or Kyle.
True.
That's true. But Kyle
Kyle
ran
got
with
lost.
Maria a bunch, right? That's how he got them all.
Yeah.
Everyone's still good on live.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
I have 4 lives left.
Still 6.
Alright, let's
Yeah,
go.
I should be clearing this. So let's go.
Wait, oh my god, what the fuck?
What?
I DC'd.
Oh,
No!
Leave,
You
leave,
lie.
quick, leave.
I'm fucking with you. I'm fucking with you.
Oh
I'm fucking with you.
my
I'm
God,
fucking with
you
I'm
piece
fucking
of
with you.
shit.
What is wrong
Yo,
with you,
you piece of
Novi? Holy
shit.
fuck.
Oh
If they
my
left
God.
right then,
Dude, if people actually left, I'd be so sad.
Next level,
I
next
said
level.
it fast, man. I said
No,
it.
because like I didn't believe it because I didn't see that you
You were drop clear.
no. Just,
Apparently, fuck it.
okay, we dropped the frenzy. That's good enough.
There.
Oh, you want a
Where's my
frenzy?
where's my basic attack? Someone basic attack. Someone basic attack. Who's luck?
Congratulations.
Who's lucky?
Congrats,
I'm
guys.
I'm definitely not
Congrats.
lucky.
Congrats.
Let's
Thank
go.
you.
You guys
Four
finally did it.
I'm out right now, but congrats, guys.
Congrats.
Wow,
You
Conway.
guys did it.
Clear. Let's
Make
go.
sure you
Oh.
make sure you loot. Make sure you loot.
Yeah, make sure you grab the remnant.
need the
I hope
remnant.
everyone did that. I hope
The
everyone did
first
their
clear, you
quest
don't get a remnant.
Yeah. Oh.
I
Oh,
didn't
Not
get
the
one.
first
Wow.
clear.
Yeah,
First clear, you don't
well,
get
Kaz-
it.
Quest completed. Quest
Kaz
completed.
gets another one.
Yeah, I got one too.
Fucking 4 characters. God damn it.
Now I have to go do fucking Magnus.
Oh,
Yeah.
here we go again.
Congrats, guys.
9 scoring months
Congrats.
in Maple. Let's go.
You can jerk off for 10 days before you run
Exactly.
again.
Finally a break from VM.
Oh, finally a break.
No more
1
300
week.
mil a day tax.
Amen. Oh. All right. See you guys in GPQ in
Really?
1.